getting older and older and older. Otherwise.
I'm pretty sure it's full moon tonight. I'm gonna go for a bike ride. And finally, I've got some batteries and some film for my new film camera. Darcy's gonna talk me through how to do that. Oh yeah, batteries down the bottom.
Go a good quality battery, stay with the major brands. Hopefully, fingers crossed, you don't have any issues with the battery corroding inside of your camera.
Darcy was looking on eBay. He's the man who knows the technology. It was a marketplace.
Yeah, I drove and got that camera.
Okay, well we found this on Marketplace. It is a Canon Powershot AF-7.
Autofocus.
Autofocus. Rightio, let's go take some film. Whoever spots the moon first doesn't have to cook tonight.
Well, like whoever spots the moon first gets picked.
I knew you'd say something like that. I literally just walked out to Roscoe laying up against my laptop. It's gonna be a busy Monday, isn't it, Roscoe? We've got lots of emails, lots of tings. So full. I love that I put the washing machine on just before I started recording this. Not my best move. Essentially, I've just been glued to the screen for the past like 2 weeks-ish. I think that's like the last time I actually picked up the camera and spoke to it. It's just the end of year crazy times with work and deadlines. I'm a graphic designer, so I do that full time, and all the clients come out of the woodworks and want everything last minute. I feel like I can finally see the light, so that's exciting. But I thought I would take a break from being on the computer screen, working on client stuff, and just like go through a heap of packages which apparently I have bought over the past few weeks. They're all pieces that I have thought about. They're not just senseless buys, but I have kind of, you know, been busy, so I think I have forgotten like half of the things here. So we can unravel them, have a little chat about plans for the future in life. As I'm filming this, it is also a few days out from Christmas, which, like, just saying that out loud doesn't sound real. This is actually something I discovered this year. A package from Ethic. Again, I've been trying to cut down on plastics around home, and an easy way to do that is find some shampoo and conditioner bars. Now, that journey on itself, there's plenty of options, but then you've got to find one that like actually agrees with your hair. I'm at the very end of using my current bars, and these guys recently had a sale, so I was like, might as well restock while they have a sale. And then plus I got a few extra things. I have naturally very like oily skin and hair, and I found that this out of their range seems to work well with my conditions as well. Oh my god, I did get this. I was literally looking at this morning, like, I should have got this in my order, and I did. They have a bar of facial cleanser. That's really cool, because the thing I hate about like beauty products is that you're always buying a new product and then getting like a new bottle which you end up discarding, even though a lot of them say that it's like recyclable or you can do like send back programs. That's just effort. It says solid face cleanser for oily to normal skin. Oily gal right here. Also, I find I get a bit of like breakout on my shoulders and back. Hopefully that can help with it as well. And then this is probably like what I'm most excited about. Pink grapefruit and vanilla lip balm. The reason why I liked this is because it comes in a cardboard package, again, rather than a plastic package. I know there's ones that come in like the aluminium. Americans say aluminum, but in Australia we say aluminium. Element, I can't even say it. But normally they come in those like unscrew jars and then you dip your finger in, but like, I just, you know, hygiene wise would rather use a little tube. Do I just go for it? I guess so. I'm doing that left hand and that felt very weird. I might have to switch to my other camera. This one's, I think, overheating. Ooh, Juicy. Oh my god, it's literally called Juicy. Anyway, I think you're a cool brand. They do cool things, making the planet a better place. Then this one is from Apothety. Again, I'm trying to cut back on using tea bags just because a lot of the times they use intense bleaching for the bags and the glue and the other things that we don't want when we are putting our tea into hot water and extracting everything that is in there and then digesting it. Don't want any nasties in there. So this is loose leaf tea. It is all organic. This is honestly the best green tea I've ever had. She's a local gal, as in like Australia. This is like my second or third order. If people start a business or if your friends or someone you know buy into a business, just like don't ask for a discount, just pay full price. Just support your people doing things like you would hope they would support you. And then I got their Robust tea because I've been hearing some cool things about it and I feel like that could be good. The good thing about my other cameras is it has the like lens that flips up so I can see if it like stops recording or overheats or anything, which I did. Whereas this one is like good quality, but I can't see the screen, so that's stressful. Also, I like that most of these packages are like plastic free. This has been the first naughty one. Naughty. It's because it wasn't from a sustainable brand, if it's what it is. So for my other camera that I was talking about, this is called a small rig and it goes onto my other little camera. And it means that I can plug more little external things like microphones and stuff onto it. And I've been meaning to get one for ages and I finally did it. Express. What did I get Express posted? I made a beautiful Insta friend online and she has an absolutely stunning range of jewelry. I bought a few pieces from her. Again, full price. Support your fellow girl bosses or girl boys. No, oh my god. Boy bosses. My brain is actually like fried at the moment from all the work and staring at a screen. So she has the jewelry business, but her and her mum have started Four Hands Studio. This is a cross stitching pack. I haven't done cross stitching before, so when she said she was doing this and she was, you know, asked if I wanted to try it, I was like, yeah, let's do a little crafty number. I feel like things like this are appealing because I'm not attached to having to finish it on a machine or on the computer or anything. Like I can take this down to the beach and do it, or like if we go on a road trip, I could do it. I guess that's like the sheet that I do the stitching onto with all the little grids and gaps in there. Got a big hand needle and then these beautiful tones. It's gonna be these cute flowers and then I can make a bag or a pillow or something like that, and it literally goes so perfect with my home, like that green with our couch. Excited to get into that. That's why I honestly don't accept a lot of packages, because I feel like I don't want to accept something and have that pressure to get it done, and I feel really bad, and then I just have like a built up anxiety and I feel like everyone hates me. So yeah, don't want to do that. So this is from Flora and Fauna. You can see that. Now what did I actually get from them? What did I, oh my god, that's right. Oh my god. Okay. This is very exciting. I got some nail polish. Certified vegan and cruelty free. 10 free non-toxics. Made in Australia. Shit, yeah, that's what we want. We want the goods. So I think I just stumbled across Flora and Fauna, which happened to stock these brands that I was aware of. And look at those tones. And they had some free samples. So the cool thing about Flora and Fauna, all they stock are clean beauty products, which is very cool. Similar websites that I like to go to are Beautiful Because, Nourished Life. I'll list anymore if I remember. And I've heard good things about Antipodes. Is that how you say it? And then last, but definitely not least, this is a gifted number that I accepted from a local or Sunny Coast business. Back when they first opened, I went and did a pottery class with them. But they have just come out with a journal. I've tried journaling before where I just kind of like open a page and start writing, but I think too fast compared to how I can write, and also I think I didn't have enough direction. Whereas I think I like things like this where it helps prompt you to think about things, or like get in a ritual. I'm in a bit of a fork in the road where I have two businesses demanding both my full time, and I'm feeling something like this will help me just like sit back and be like, what do I value? What is giving me the good vibes at the moment? What isn't? How do I change that? Just be a bit more reflective. So it includes meditations, mindful activities, and journal prompts. I feel like next year I'm going to cut down on doing graphic design work and put a lot more energy into this. So hopefully you'll be seeing me pop up more often. I just feel like this lights me up. Like sewing, speaking, adventuring, sharing bits of inspiration. I love it. My camera decided to die. I was just having a little D&M. Yeah, so next year I just want to spend a little bit more time away from the computer and away from pushing pixels. But I have been very, very lucky with the clients and the opportunities and the people that I've crossed paths with. So that I think is why it has made that decision always hard to really act on and put more time and energy into this. So after Christmas, I can sit down and make this decision with a bit more intention. Wow, it's actually like massive. Yeah. I need to take more time to like look back and be appreciative of what I've got done rather than always just like looking forward and not actually taking in what has been accomplished to get where we are. Well, I'm very excited to paint my nails, journal, cleanse my face and body, cross stitch. I feel like these are just like all fun little summer activities. Well, it's pretty much just the countdown to Christmas now. I'm gonna do a bit more work and then start doing all the fun things again.